In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your domain name in Wix using a Wix URL on a free plan. Hi, my name is Tracy from paulandtracy.com. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. All Wix websites come with a free domain name. This is the address where people can find your website online. You can edit two parts of any free domain with Wix. The first part is your account name. This is the name on your overall account, and no matter how many websites you have under one account, this will appear in the website address for each of them. The next part is your individual site name. This is unique to each website that you have under the one account. Let's say I have two websites. The first one could be something simple like My Site 1, and the second could be named My Site 2. Typically, you'd use a name that represents what the website is, like your business name or your own name, but it must be unique. What you can't change is the HTTPS, which is a standard prefix for all secure websites on the internet. And you can't change wixsite.com. If you wanted to update this to your own custom website address, such as yourwebsite.com, this is only available on a Wix Premium plan. If you can't decide if a free or premium website is best for you, please check out our video on Wix Free versus Premium, which I'll link in the description box below. To change the first part of your website address, you'll first need to log into your Wix account. From there, navigate to your account header in the top menu area up here. Click on your account name in the top right-hand corner and select Account Settings. Under Basic Info, go to Account Name. Here you can update your account name, which will update the first part of your website address. Re-enter your password, and then choose your new account name. The name must be between 6 and 20 characters long. Just as a side note, this won't affect any premium websites that you've paid for with Wix if you've already linked a custom domain name to those. Also, once you've changed your account name to something else, you can't revert back to your original account name. If you try to change it back, it will say that the account name's already taken. Once you're done, click Save. To change the site name, which is the second part of your website address, you can update this information in two main places. Both are easy to get to. The first is via your My Sites page, which you can access from the account header. Hover over the site and click the drop-down box that appears in the top right-hand corner. Click Rename Site. Here you can change your site's website address name. You can also update your site address name from the dashboard. To access the dashboard, hover over the site and click Select and Edit Site. This is your dashboard for the site you just selected. At the top of the dashboard, navigate to the drop-down called Site Actions and select Rename Site. You can only rename a site if it's already published. It has to be all lowercase letters. And you can include numbers as well as the hyphen symbol in your chosen name. It must be a minimum of 4 characters and a maximum of 20, and it can't end in a hyphen. And as mentioned earlier, the name you choose needs to be unique and can't be the same as another website that you have under the same account. You can also update your site name above to match it to your site address if you like. This field affects how your site appears in Google and in internet browser tabs. Once you're done, click Save. To confirm your changes, click the drop-down box and select View Live Site. As you can now see, we started with this website name and have now changed it to this one. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps us a lot. If you have any Wix website tips of your own or have any questions about the video, please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.